Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a wicked cool 1968 Plymouth GTX. It is a real GTX, guys. Killer car. Car was restored around 2012, 2013. So a little bit of an older restoration. But nice car, guys, and this thing runs. It's got a healthy 440 with that Edelbrock Performer RPM kit. So it's got the intake, the aluminum heads, the Edelbrock cam in it, and fun car to drive. I took it out and drove it to lunch this morning or this afternoon, and good car. Fun car to drive, fun car to bang the gears, factory 4-speed car. It's not a matching numbers car, but it is, like you say, it is a factory 4-speed car. Dana 354 Sure Grip, and like I say, fun car to bang the gears. Car's out of Kentucky. It's got a good, solid, straight Kentucky body. I think it's got the original quarters on it. They did replace a one of the, I think it's the passenger side floorboard, but I think the rest of the panels are original. Look how nice this trim is in here. They've definitely replaced some of that stuff. That grill's in nice shape. Look how nice those bezels are. Both front and rear bumpers have been either re-chromed or they bought them new for the car. They're both very nice. A few little things you can nitpick in the paint. Try to point out some of the things that I saw, but pretty dang nice. Factory Sunfire yellow car. So this is the original color of the car. The only thing different, it's got a black vinyl top on it now. This is actually a factory black painted top car. So somebody's added the vinyl top, but right from the factory, it actually had a black painted top, which is pretty cool. Again, you see a little crack there in the paint. Dual chrome mirrors, that was an option. Vinyl top looks brand new. You can nitpick some of that little trim right there. That stuff looks original, but pretty doggone nice. Back window looks good. Couple little scratches low down there, but like I say, nice car. Good, solid, straight body. Wait till you see this tail panel. These things are not easy to come by. Look how nice that thing is. That is an expensive piece right there, guys. Again, you can see they've replaced the bumpers. One of the things I'm going to do, that little, one of the little exhaust brackets has come loose. It's just a little dust, guys. You can see that thing's cocked a little bit. I'll get that down to our exhaust shop and have them fix that. They're just so far behind, guys. I didn't want to tie up the car any longer, so I wouldn't be able to shoot it for about 4 or 5 more days. Like I say, car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got 17-inch American Racing torque thrusts all around it. It's got Nitto rubber. Good looking car. I love 68s because I love those little circular side marker lights. Power front disc brakes, and they've added a vacuum canister for the brakes, so you've got full brake all the time, even with that camshaft in this car. So this thing will stop on a dime. Again, healthy 440, guys. It's I think that kit is, I had this kit in the car before, and I think it's minimum 482 horse, but everything they've added with the MSD and everything like that, this car is probably pushing closer to 500 horse. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, again, complete Edelbrock RPM Performer, intake, heads, cam, Hedman headers. You can see there's your vacuum canister, power front disc brakes. It's got all MSD 6AL, digital 6AL ignition with a Pro Billet distributor. Griffin, big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. It is a factory 4-speed car. There's your original trim tag. Car's nice and tight. Drives really good, guys. Chilly day. It's pretty out, but it's a little chilly here. A-pillar chrome's pretty doggone nice. You can see a little pitting there. Dual chrome mirrors. It's got a remote inside or driver's side. Those have definitely been replaced. You can see they put the new door rubbers on it. Bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. Bucket seat car. It's got the correct Hurst shifter. Headliner's real nice. It is a factory tach dash car, but now they're not using it. They've put an aftermarket one in, I'm assuming because of the MSD ignition. All the other gauges seem to work. The fuel gauge is a little slow, I can tell you that. And he's got, I think he's using, all the gauges up here, and he's got some aftermarkets down below. They work. No, on the AM radio, it's not working. The blower motor does work. Again, it's a Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got electric dumps. Dana 354 sure grip rear end. You can see they even got a aftermarket spare in the trunk. Two broadcast sheet car, which is pretty cool. Again, you can still see the insulation on both sides for the quarters. It's all body color in here. You notice on the top of the door there's a little, I saw a little crack there, and then on the other, the driver's side door, I saw a little crack too. Car's pretty original underneath. You know, like I say, they did put a floorboard on the passenger side. And it was impressive to roll down the road. It really hit the road good. Didn't scream out of the hole. I'm sure if you revved it up a little bit, got a little bit higher RPMs, it probably would. But boy, it pulled hard, especially going to second. Really pulled hard. That wood grain on the dash is nice. Again, about the same way on this side with that 8-pillar chrome. Car sounds good. Here, the dual electric fans, they're working. Car hits good, man. Oh, there it was. I knew there was a little bit of a parking brake works. Again, the fuel gauge, well, you can see it's come up. It just works slow. It's just loaded up a little bit. Jordan, you rev it a little bit. Get it cleared out. Parking brake does work. Oh, the dumps are on your right-hand side. There's a little switch underneath the dash. Little switch. Sounds mean, man. car hit. Again, no on the radio, blower motor does work. Wipers are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. My car looks good. Have a great day, guys.